Welcome to AppStarBrush. In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Roblox. To do that, from Roblox desktop app, press More button. Then select Settings. Press Account Info. And here is the username. In front of that, press pencil icon. And here I'll be able to change my username if I have 1000 Robux. So changing username is not free. It costs 1000 Robux. I'll have to buy the username change. Once my account has got 1000 Robux, I'll be able to change my username from here. And in case we are on mobile, we can open Roblox app, press 3 lines at the top left, select Settings, press Account Info, and here is the username. In front of that, press pencil icon, and it says insufficient funds. It needs 1000 Robux in order to allow this change. So to buy Robux, we can go here, press this icon that is between search icon and bell icon. From here, we can buy more Robux and make that change. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.